Hello guys, today I want to show you how to withdraw a cash send for Standard Bank. Here we go. This machine. Yeah. That machine have got a little problem, but this one, let me show you first how to take the money. That's a pin, and then now you enter the number. Very simple, guys. Press enter. If you want to sleep, yes. Let's wait. Here we go. Come here. Here we go. You see, very simple. And next time we're going to do for what? Capitec. For Capitec, we show you how to draw cash send for Capitec, and also for FNB and ABSA. We'll do all of them to show you. It's very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Very simple. Now we are going down to Capitec, but we can't show you today. Maybe during the week. During the week, we'll show you for Capitec. For Capitec. We'll show you for Capitec. Thank you very much. See you next week. And also for NetBank. We'll pass by NetBank now. We'll pass by NetBank. It's closer, closer. We are going there now. After NetBank, there is ABSA. So meaning during the week, we'll choose which one we will show you. You can comment which one we must do for you first, NetBank, ABSA, or Capitec, anyone. Now we pass NetBank. Yeah. NetBank. And now we are going. We are still going. Just hang on. Now we are going to ABSA now. ABSA is very simple. You can't even take 2 minutes. 1 minute. Enter the number. You enter the PIN. You get your moolah. You get your money. Yes, ABSA. You see ABSA? Yes, ABSA. So next week, stay in touch. Stay in touch. Thank you.